Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman of this honorable committee, our dear Professor Julius Ihovere, other honorable members of this committee that has oversight over the administration of Rivers State. I am Vice Admiral Ibokete Ekoibas, retired, currently the administrator of Rivers State. And I have with me here my principal staff officer, Commodore Aminu Shehu, and Mr. Andy Wike. Thank you very much for having us here, Mr. Chairman.
As you also probably know, that Section 305 of the Constitution empowers the President to declare a state of emergency based on several parameters. But that state of emergency, the Gazette must be sent to the National Assembly for approval. It's only that approval that gives life to the state of emergency. So I repeat that so that you know how critical the National Assembly is to that process. I also would like you rightly pointed out just now, Section 11.4 of the Constitution as amended empowers the National Assembly to take over the responsibilities of a State House of Assembly where it is unable to function. That also means that all functions of the State House of Assembly, including budget approval, must come to the National Assembly and by implication, this very committee. Since our inauguration, we made every effort to reach out to you. Via a letter, you responded that you couldn't come. We did a second letter. We didn't quite receive the response, but I did get a soft copy yesterday, explaining why you couldn't make it. But we were here waiting for you because we had not received the letter. So we were here till very late for you until we heard that you were attending the National Economic Council meeting. So we're happy to see you here today. I want you to feel relaxed because the members you see here were carefully selected based on zonal representation and membership of the House to advance the progress that Rivers State needs to make in order to be part and parcel of the holistic structure of democracy that Nigeria represents today. And for us, we have demonstrated again and again our preparedness to do this job efficiently and effectively in the interest of the people of Rivers, of the south of Nigeria, and the Nigerian Federation. We are glad you are here, as you promised yesterday. This meeting actually at this time was at your instance, and we're happy that you are here. So you are welcome, and I would like to have you make a brief comment. Then we will go into an executive session so that we can lay out the parameters of how we are going to work together.
Please permit me to begin by respectfully acknowledging your leadership and the critical role of this committee in safeguarding the democratic and constitutional integrity of our great nation. It is both an honor and a solemn responsibility to address you today in my capacity as the administrator of Rivers State. I deeply regret my inability to attend earlier engagements with this esteemed committee, like you rightly said. Today is exactly 10 days after the first invitation, and in between we've had 4 days that were off calendar, that's public holidays, plus the weekends inclusive. That said, I humbly request your understanding and the indulgence of this committee to grant me additional time to adequately prepare and present a comprehensive and constructive briefing. Given the complexities and sensitivities surrounding the current transitional period in Rivers State, it is important that any engagement with this committee is done with the depth, accuracy, and clarity it rightfully deserves. I remain fully committed to cooperating with the committee and to ensuring that all relevant information is made available in due course to support your important work. I want to specially thank Mr. Chairman and the distinguished honorable members of this committee for your understanding and continued service to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I also want to thank the members of the press for the role they've played in supporting the efforts of the federal government. Thank you once again, and God bless you all.
Shoot.
Good afternoon, sir.
The press statement has
It's released already.
been released.
The tendency to misquote.
Or maybe
The statement is there.
All right, what was?
Okay, sir, I want to know the next move with the presence of the sole administrator here today. He said you should give him more time to prepare a comprehensive report. So I want to know the next move.
A new date will be communicated to him today. And he will be here. And we'll continue with our work.
And we had a fruitful engagements.
You prepared to go for oversight function in River State?
Let him appear before us first.
The reason why I was not